Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Question is, which of the following Airy's stress functions could satisfy? Let me write this problem. This is GATE 2011 for 2 marks. Check. The question is, which of the following Airy stress functions could satisfy the given boundary conditions. Yeah, they will give one diagram to you, and there they will mention all the boundary conditions, assuming constant values of sigma xs is p, sigma yy is q, and very simple problem they have given to you, tau xy is r along the boundary.
Sir, in GATE, they won't ask that much big problem, no?
No,
The one we have just solved.
no, what we had solved previously, such lengthy problem they will not ask you here. We had taken more than 30 minutes. How they can
Yes.
ask such type of problem? But I am showing you this is the GATE problem, and even a recent problem also they have asked. So we'll solve that also. So I am showing you like what type of question in GATE they are asking. What we had solved previously, it was the subjective
Yes, sir, yes.
problem. Okay, like in semester 8
Yes,
marks
sir.
they had asked sometimes. So anyway, we'll solve this problem
Okay, sir.
along the boundaries. So they are asking which of the following Airy stress functions could satisfy. Means they are asking polynomial. You read the problem easily. Sigma xx given, sigma yy given, tau xy they have given. They are asking which of the following Airy stress function could satisfy the boundary condition. And based on this, they have given the diagram. Even though they will not give the diagram also, okay. Why? Because sigma xx, sigma yy and tau xy easily they have given to us. So if they will not give any diagram also, there is no problem. But they have given diagram, we can take it. So this is the diagram. Okay, because sigma xx is positive, hence this will be the symbol, and this diagram they had given in exam problem. And check sigma yy also, it is plus q, hence it is also tensile. Suppose they have given minus q, then it will be the compressive, but they have given positive, so it will be tensile. Tau xy is also positive, hence this arrowhead will be towards each other like this. Okay, I had explained you how to represent it. It's very simple there, very simple. And I'm believing that now you will able to recognize the answer. Now anyway, so option they have given, option will write. So polynomial they have given to us. So in this problem they are asking the polynomial. Basically what we had seen previously, they had given polynomial, and from the polynomial we had calculated sigma xx, sigma yy and tau xy. Here in this problem they have given just reverse. So phi they have given, this is the option number 1, px square by 2 plus qy square by 2 minus rxy. Option number B, phi is nothing but py square by 2 plus qx square by 2 rxy. Option number 3, phi is equal to py square by 2 plus qx square by 2 minus rxy. Option number D, px square by 2 qy square by 2 rxy. Now we'll go for the solution, and remember, see, this was for 2 marks, and we can solve this problem in 2 minutes only, no problem. Okay, so check this data they have given to us. Now see, one thing you can do, you can take any of that ABCD option, and from the polynomial you can calculate sigma xx, sigma yy, and tau xy, and check in which polynomial you are getting sigma xx is equal to p, in which polynomial you are getting sigma yy is equal to q, in which polynomial you are getting tau xy is equal to r. Any polynomial where you are getting all three, sigma xx p, sigma yy q, tau xy is equal to r, that polynomial will be correct. Yes or no? So any one you can take. So in such type of problem, better you take the polynomial and check. First I will write the sigma xx formula, so it will be easy for you. Solution. What is the sigma xx? You know, sigma xx is nothing but dou square phi by dou y square. So, and sigma y, let me write all the formula first. Dou square phi by dou x square, tau xy check, minus dou square phi by dou x. Now I will tell you how to approach for the correct solution in very short time of period. See, tau xy is minus dou square phi by dou x dou y. Your tau xy in the problem is given r, which is plus. It means where the polynomial where minus for the tau xy they have given. Okay, so that minus will be plus in that way. So first thing, it will be very clear if you go for the tau xy where the minus is given. So how to approach it? Okay, see, in this problem, check where is the sigma xx dou square phi by dou y square, where you are getting p value. Take any polynomial first, and just start solving. In here I will tell you, like, directly you can go for this is the correct polynomial by seeing the correct answer only here. But in examination, suppose such type of problem you will get, better you start taking polynomial, and in differentiation hardly it will take, for one polynomial it will take hardly 1 minute, less than 1 minute, even 30 seconds. You go and differentiate and check where you are getting sigma xx equal to p. That will be better. Otherwise, if you check plus minus and also it will be time consuming, better you start differentiating it. So what is the sigma xx? It is nothing but dou square phi by dou y square. So first you differentiate the polynomial with respect to y and check where is the chances you are getting sigma xx is equal to that p value. Okay, so
I forgot the minus sign.
so remember, for this solution, if this is your Airy's stress function you have assumed, so if you check option C, what they have given to us, they have given py square by 2 phi is equal to, and qx square plus qx square by 2 and minus rxy. So see why I have chosen this option, because tau xy they have given r. 2 times if you differentiate with respect to x and y, then only this r should be positive as per given the problem. So you have to take any minus, maybe option A or maybe option C. But in option A, what is the problem? If you go for sigma xx, then you will differentiate with 2 times with respect to y. So if you differentiate with respect to y 2 times, so q you will get. But what is the sigma xx? They have given p. So that means for the p, you anywhere where y square is given, then p will be correct answer. So B and C, 2 option you have. So among between B and C, among all 4 problems, if B and C if you check, so 2 options will be correct for you. But the problem is r, which should be positive, tau xy, and here plus and here minus. In your assumption Airy's stress function, it should be minus dou square phi dou x dou y. So minus is here only. If there is no minus, then your option will be correct. Option B will be correct, but minus we have, so option C will be Correct, minus minus plus. So now I will show you after differentiation how you will get your answer. So if you check sigma xx, you can write dou phi by dou y for this. So dou phi by dou y will be what, 2 py divided by 2. This part will be 0 minus this will be minus r x. Now if you again differentiate dou square phi by dou y square, then you will have 2 to cancel out, only p you will get. So here dou square phi by dou y square, which is nothing but sigma xx. So this one is here, p is satisfied, I mean this option is correct. Now coming to tau xy, what is tau xy? It's minus dou square phi by dou x dou y. So minus dou by dou x, dou phi by dou y you have already, this is the value. So it is 2 by 2 cancel out, so it is py minus rx. If you differentiate with respect to x one more time, so tau xy will be minus minus plus, it will be r. So means two option you got here from option C. I mean tau xy is plus r, check, it is plus r. Sigma xx you achieve, sigma yy will also achieve if you differentiate it. Your option is what, C. Again I am saying, if this tau xy is what, negative, okay, if this tau xy is what, negative, then your B option will be correct. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the way to understand. So we'll go for the next problem. This is the gate, I think 2016, check, 2 marks. See in this problem what they are saying, simply the 2D state of stress they have given, a two-dimensional state of stress in a body is described by the AIRY'S stress function, and that polynomial they have given pi xy, they have given to us how much, it's how pi x to power 4 by 10 plus x cube y divided by 6 3x square y square by 2 plus 7xy cube divided by 6, this is 6, okay, plus e to power y by 4 divided by 12. Listen carefully, this is the polynomial function they have given. The Airy stress function will satisfy the equilibrium and compatibility requirement. I have shown you when it will satisfy equilibrium equation and when it will satisfy the compatibility equations, then what will happen, na? I had shown you for that reason only, because they are asking problems like this. If and only if the value of the coefficient not coefficients, coefficient E is, this was fill in the blank problem. Very simple problem, very simple problem. Simply, where is the coefficient, where is the constants? Like earlier you had calculated constant A, B, C. So here all the constant they have given, only one constant which is E. They have not given. For E we have to calculate. But what is the condition they have given? They said Airy stress function satisfied equilibrium equation, very good, and compatibility requirements. If and only if the value of coefficient is like this. They have given the value. How to proceed this? If this will happen, okay, if this, okay, this I will write the solution. How to proceed this problem? I had given just before only. Check in the previous slide only. I had given here. I have shown you before solving the problem. I had shown you when the Airy stress function will satisfy the condition. And what condition? Both that equilibrium equation as well as stress compatibility. Now here let me show you. So this is the criteria when the Airy stress function is what satisfying the stress compatibility equation. This is what is stress compatibility equation. Stress compatibility equation, yes or no? So an equilibrium equation. So if it is satisfying the compatibility equation as well as the equilibrium equation, then what equation you got? This biharmonic equation you got, which is nothing but delta power 4 phi is equal to this. No? Already I have written. So use this and make it equal to 0. Yes or no? Then you will get your solution. Simple only. So now for this GATE 2016, they are saying it is satisfying, this polynomial function is what satisfying to the equilibrium as well as compatibility requirements if and only if the value of coefficient is. So they are asking, so what you will do now as per given condition, like Airy stress function is what satisfying to the compatibility requirements, so then it should satisfy this equation, because that Airy stress function, if you satisfy with the stress compatibility equation, then this should come. And if you open this bracket I have given to you, what will be the whole bracket meaning? So this value is nothing but dou to power 4 phi divided by dou x to power 4 plus 2 times dou to power 4 pi divided by dou x square and dou y square plus dou to power 4 is equal to 0. Now phi you have, you just start doing that. You calculate. Phi is given, dou to power 4 phi dou x to power 4 you calculate. You do all the steps. No? So I will write here phi is what value of phi they have given. So see this phi x to power 4, this value you need to write. Phi x to power 4 by 12, x cube y by 6, 3x square y square by 2 plus 7x y cube by 6 plus e to power y power 4 by 12. All those value you need to write and make it equal to 0. Simple. So you just write this function. I will go very fast. Please just follow me. Phi x to power 4 12 plus x cube y divided by 6 plus 3x square y square by 2, 7xy cube divided by 6, e to power y 4 divided by 12. Okay. Now all, because we have a 4, so one by one will write dou phi by dou x. What value you will get? 20x cube by 12 plus 3x square y by 6, 3x square 6 this will be 0. Okay, what will be dou square phi by dou x square? Please you also do. If I commit any calculation mistake, please correct me. You also do. So this will be what? 60x square divided by 12 plus 6xy by 6 plus 6y square by 2, 0. This is what 120x 12 plus. Now it will be 110. This is the first result you got. Okay, dou to power 4 by 5 by dou x to power 4. So much lengthy. Now you will go for the dou phi by dou y. So again you have to repeat the step, but we cannot do anything. We have to do. So again I will write phi. What is the value? Phi x to power 4 divided by 12 plus x cube by 6 plus 3x square y square by 6. You also calculate, you all, no? And match with my answer, because it's a lengthy one, so I don't know where I'm doing mistake. If it is, you please correct me. Now we'll write dou phi by dou y. So first part will be definitely 0. Here we will have only x cube by 6 plus this will be 3 into 2, 6 x square y by 6. This will be 21x y square divided by 6. This will be 4 e y cube by 12. Again dou phi. So this will be, first will be 0. It will be 6x square by 6 plus 42xy divided by 6 plus 12 ey square divided by 12. Again later on I will tell you how to see. I'm explaining, I'm writing each, and later on I will tell you what is the short method to solve this. But before this, before going to short way, you plus go with this way, so better. 0 this is the dou to power 4 dou y to power 4. Okay, now again we'll go for the what is the expression? It is dou to power 4 means dou to power, okay, dou square phi by dou x square you have here, no? Here this value you need to select, dou square phi by dou x square. So you have dou square phi by dou x square. You have, what is that? It's a 60x square by 12, or you can say write phi x square. Okay, I will write this 60x square plus 6xy by 6 plus 6y square by 2. Now dou to power 3 y dou square, you differentiate with respect to y. This, what you will get? This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 12 y by 2. Again differentiate, then you will get 12 by 2, which is 6. Now check, grad 4 pi should be 0. So you know that this is nothing but, you can write dou to power 4 x square plus 2 times of dou to power 4 pi dou y square dou x square plus dou to power 4 pi divided by dou y to power 4 is equal to 0. Check what this value you got in first. It was 10. It was 10 plus 2 times what this value you got. You got 6. What y value you got? It's 12e. 10 plus 12 plus 12e is equal to 0. Yes or no? 12 plus 20, sorry, so 22. Yes. This is the answer.
Sir, once previous slide.
Previous slide.
Yes, sir.
Check this.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Oh,
Done, sir.
see, this I think made mistake. See, 12ey square by 12. So 24 divided by 12. This is 12 here. No?
Yes, sir. 12.
12. So this will be. You
2
have,
it will be.
yes, you have asked because then only I just see. Correct this. Got my point, no?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So this value will be. Please correct. This is 2e. Okay. Right. You understood this problem? Hope Airy's stress function is very clear now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now I was telling you shortcut. See, obviously they are giving this lengthy polynomial because they are thinking. I mean, any problem they will give to you to waste your time. Simple. So for that reason, this lengthy polynomial it was given in examination so that student get waste more and more time for this particular problem. This problem is what for 2 marks. If you follow this differentiation 4 step, it will be very difficult for you and it will take 10 to 15 minutes for this problem. How to go for shortcut? Check. This is the polynomial. Okay, now listen carefully, you will understand the point. Okay, and this clever mind you have to use in your exam. You have to differentiate 4 times this phi with respect to x. With respect to x, listen carefully, with respect to x. So all the function you have to check where you have x to power 4. Even x power 3 also is there, then it will be become 0 at last, because you have to differentiate this 4 times. So for 4 times differentiation, if you want a finite number, then at least x to power 4 should be there somewhere. Below that, x to power 4 will be become 0. Okay, so immediately you have to choose first this one only. Rest all, even though white power 4 is 0, white power 4 is there, but you make it 0. Why? Because you are going to differentiating with respect to 4 only, x to power 4 only. I mean, phi you are going to differentiate 4 times with respect to x. So if it is y, then obviously it will be 0 in first steps only. So just neglect all. X to power 3, it will be 0 everywhere. I mean, less than x to power 4, all the component, I mean, part will be 0. Only this. And now check the result. Only you are getting result for this. See, this will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0 1 by 1. See, only this result you are getting ultimately 120x by 12. Ultimately you will get 10 here. You got my point or not here?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Similarly for this, now you are going to differentiate this with respect to y, and it should be 4 times. Check where y to power 4 or more than y to power 4 we have. So maximum y to power 4. If somewhere y to power 6, y to power 7, you take that one. Rest all make it 0. So x power 0, this will be 0. So only this component you need take, this part. And directly differentiate. Check here. Finally you will get this result only. You differentiate only this rest all you forget. Hope you understood now my point.
Yes, sir, understood.
But for this at least dou square phi dou x square, at least 2 times differentiation you should have for the x, because for dou to power 4 phi dou y square dou x square, you need this dou square phi dou x square. So for this only you require this 2 steps. I mean you have to differentiate till this. For dou to power 4 phi dou x power 4, directly you can take this, but for third component where dou power 4 phi divided by dou to power dou square y dou x square, for that you need this dou square phi dou x square. This steps you need, and I have used here. So in that way you can save your time. I hope this one is clear to you. This is your answer. So similarly, many questions they have asked. It's very simple, very simple. So what I have solved, unsolved problem, TSGM action, one problem I have solved. So now I believe that in examination what they have asked, each and every problem you can solve by your own. And they are asking for 2 marks. You can think it's a gifted marks only for you. Done.